Hello everyone, this is Joanna, a librarian here at the Chula Vista Public Library. I want to introduce you to a free career building digital resource called EBSCO Learning Express. With this free resource, you will have access to tutorials, practice tests, ebooks, flashcards, articles, test prep, career development, and more. Let me show you how to access this free resource from our chulavistalibrary.com website. From our homepage, scroll down and select Digital Resources. This will take you to a page where all of our online digital resources are listed. Scroll down to the Job Seeker Help section and click on Learning Express Test Prep. To make a free account, click on Sign In, Register. Select Register under New User. It is going to ask you for your library card number. Fill out the required fields and then click Register. Now that you've created an account, let's explore the career preparation section. When you click on career preparation, you will see a list of popular exams and study material that may help you. One example where this Learning Express digital resource would come in handy would be if you are applying to a job that requires you to take a civil service test. Here you can find 7 civil service practice exams that will help you do well on your test. As you can see, these are timed and graded tests, which will give you great practice for the real thing. I hope you enjoyed this Learning Express overview and will use it for your career advancement.